Hi everyone! Welcome to Tokyo Kitchen Japanese cooking class. I'm Yoshimi. Today, I'm going to show you how to make レタスのおひたし. If you want to consume a lot of lettuce, this is the best and the easiest way. Super easy to make, but you can have a lot of lettuce. At the end of the video, I will show you how I build a menu with this レタスのおひたし. So stay with me till the end. Okay, let's get started. These are what you need to make 2 servings. 1 head of lettuce, 2 teaspoons each of soy sauce, sesame oil, sugar, rice vinegar, and oyster sauce. Half a teaspoon of grated garlic, and if you want to make the sauce spicy, 七味 Japanese chili mix. While you prepare plenty of boiling water, it's about 5 cups. Let's remove the core of the lettuce. Smash it on the counter. And pour the core out. Put it in a large bowl with the hole facing up. Pour the boiling water into the hole. Try to sink the lettuce into the hot water. And just let it sit for 3 minutes. In the meantime, let's make the sauce. Sesame oil, soy sauce, sugar, oyster sauce, rice vinegar, garlic paste, and 七味 Japanese chili mix, as much as you like. Give it a mix. And the sauce is ready. Back to the lettuce. Pour some cold water into the bowl. Drain. It's still hot, so make sure not to burn yourself. And let's repeat that 3 times. This is to stop cooking and also to rinse the lettuce. Try to roll the whole lettuce. And squeeze it well. Remove as much as water as you can. Let's cut it into 4. Serve in the bowl. Let's put some sauce. And レタスのおひたし is ready to go. Super easy. Time for the tasting. Itadakimasu. It's wilted, but it still has the texture. And the sauce makes the whole dish so flavorful and delicious. This is how standard Japanese combo style meal looks. Rice, soup, main, 1 or 2 side dishes. Lettuce no hitashi is a side, so it goes here, and some sort of pickles, either store-bought or homemade for the other one. Anything you like for the other dishes. But how about otofu to okura no soup here, hoshiebi no churhan here, which will also cover the main. I hope you enjoy the meal. That's all for today. Thank you so much for watching. More videos coming up, so don't forget to subscribe and turn the notification bell on so that you don't miss anything. Bye!